You guys, it's me, Sai, back with another video. Today we're installing the Max fan on my roof. And first I have to take off this roof rack that I got with the car. See how rusty the car is. Alright guys, here's another voiceover. So in order to install the fan, this roof rack is in the way. And I originally wanted to keep the roof rack up there to give it like a stealthy, almost construction look from the outside. But I'm realizing I have humongous skylight going in and my solar panels, so this thing might have to get out the way, and I might have to add, taking this bracket off was the hardest thing ever. I know I sped this off, fast, but it literally took me an hour to take this off. Finally got it off. Now we're creating this brace that goes around the fan so the fan has something to bolt onto. I don't know what my brother's doing, but I decided to film it. I really wanted to create an in-depth video for you guys, but I realized there's so much YouTubers out there that already have videos out there. So I'm just filming this for my records and documenting it so you guys can see. And also there's, I think, a sealant tape called Dicor. Correct me if I'm wrong. It goes on top of the roof so the fan lays flat. We couldn't get it and we wanted to finish it tonight. So we actually ended up using the kill mat installation. We cut it in squares and we put it between the low spots on top of the roof, and it worked out really well. And the rubber material is similar to the Dicor sealant, and I think it's gonna work out fine. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have ever used just the kill mat to level out the fan. And my brother used some RV fan sealant, liquid sealant, that was white and super messy and sticky. But we're completely done. As you guys can see, we're starting to frame it, and you can see the sealant right there. It got really dark quick, 0 to 100 real quick, okay? And it started to rain on us, you guys, out of all the days. But we were really gonna work. It was a 12-hour day, and took advantage of this 60. At one point it actually got 70 degrees, so that's him cutting everything. And I got the video all backwards, you guys, but you know the whole deal. And that is it, you guys. Alright guys, it is the very next day. It's early right now and I'm headed to work soon. I gotta get ready, but I just want to do this outro before I start my day, I guess. But it's freezing cold today, so we got blessed yesterday. But the fan is up, as you guys can see right there, and it started raining on us when we start doing the sealing. It was a mess. You can tell by the video we were working hard to get it done, and hopefully the roof is somewhat sealed. If it's leaking, I'll wait until springtime to redo it. We weren't expecting it to rain, but it started to rain. We had like 60-mile-per-hour wind. It was just really crazy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It was literally a 12-hour day yesterday. It was crazy. If you guys want to support this channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let's start a conversation. And if you're not, subscribe please, and I will see you guys on the next video.